It already started, and hello everybody. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my
Hello. I is the Elo, so you are the Elo. I am the Elo.
Yes, he is very correct. I am gonna say so hello everybody. Welcome back to my first video. I meant, and today we are going to play with my friend Anonymous Plays. Okay. And I have already played this game a lot of times. Getting lucky, getting magma, getting katana, no charms, and not even a kill effect. And since I have like 784 bucks, let me go buy.
You have 10 bucks.
No, I have 784. Let's buy Let's buy one gun crate. What? Yeah. Okay.
I don't need a scope to win. I mean a win.
Now after that, let's go deploy it to the game. Oh. Is this a guy? No. Still, I come.
You went the one-red guy.
I guess I'm pretty bad in the game. Blood. You mean blood? Oh my god.
Oh, you need to change your avatar.
Wait. Let me.
Never mind. Next try, just change your avatar.
No. I already have something. Want me to become purple?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I don't shoot you.
I am blue Kairi, but I'm gonna go purple because this one's for the trio skin, but still. My skin is still like this.
I am always.
What? Still. Just don't shoot the guy with the black hoodie. No, black. Just don't shoot the guy with the red hair. Oh my god.
Headshot. 1, 2, 3. And for you,
Headshot 2 to 3. Taing mabahugin. Is this a guy?
Kayo, how about yours?
I shot him. He did not die. What the?
1, 2. Oops, you messed up. 1, 2.
No. Kaboom! Let me go use my katana for real quick.
Don't get hit by a ballista. Yeah, think about it every time I hit the hookah.
Okay, very good.
Kaboom! Kaboom!
But we just use the call.
Walking through the fields, destroying my crops. Every day I think about it, every time I run.
Kaboom!
Trust me every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom! Ready sa bazooka. Or should I say ballista? Boom!
Yes! Finally got my first kill.
Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Open the door.
Headshot.
Shot me.
You shot me first.
I have 550 red.
Risky, what map? Ini mo kaing mabaho sinapok. Mga Karena. Sinapakla kaagad ako ni Mr. Karena. Ang baho ng taay ni Mr. Nakia. Bulaga. No.
Bulaga. You're asking I live in the Philippines. No further additions. I want to monetize. I need at least 1,000 subscribers. So please help.
Kaboom! Don't you dare abuse your melee, mister.
Got him.
Okay, so remember when we still started this game? Not a sweat, but I'm literally cold. So, I guess that's it.
Hey, got.
No, why am I gonna end the calls? Why am I gonna end the video so fast? One more! Never mind.
Oh, nah, but it was a 3v1. Otherwise, oi, 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 oi.
You mean 1v1, v1, v1, v1?
Yes. Oh my god.
You mean 3v1?
Everyone's here.
I'm here with my M1 Garand. My eye itches!
You want to find out?
Oh my god, my eye itches. What's in the top now?
It's funny because.
What the? How did he not? Ano baby dyan? Alright, bye I guess. Said bye. Okay, now, same for over here. Thank you for watching. I don't know what am I gonna do next. No, I know. Let's end this video. Bye. You want say bye. I said bye. Poop, poop.
But as he got, if not for himself,
Come on, it's gonna be 7 minutes. No, I just say bye. Just say bye.
ah,
Okay, that's it. Bye.